My name is John Allspaw. I work at a website called Etsy. About 2-3 years ago, I started reading, mostly driven by curiosity on how systems can be built, technical systems and human systems could be built or designed or managed so that accidents could be turned into learning opportunities. The coursework was largely done in a sort of a distance-based, electronic format software on the web. And, I was looking at the exact same topics with people from firefighting, from construction, from aviation, from air traffic control. And I got a lot out of it just by being able to compare and contrast what I was writing and what I was thinking with what they were writing and what they were thinking. And so that sort of feedback loop between the students, as well as the mentors in the program, that's what made it. That's what made the program super, super valuable. It wasn't just, I'm a mentor or I'm the professor and I'm going to give you feedback and then sort of one way and then answer in one way and answer in one way. It was also from our peers, and that it meant that we got better and better at being able to write for an audience that wasn't just the omniscient, the all-knowing professor. Because I was mostly driven by curiosity, and I was just super enthusiastic, it was easy to get over whatever sort of initial nervousness I had. I would consider it a requirement for this course. The topics touch a lot on cultural perceptions of safety and how work gets done. So I would say that it is a requirement, and it worked. While at the same time we explored a lot of the similarities, we also found a lot of differences. For example, in construction, at least in oil and gas in Canada, I think that it is a much different working culture than it is in my industry, in software. So how people think about their work, how people think about their position and their role in a particular company, what they think their responsibilities are and what they think that their authority means, these all came up, and we talked about them quite often, pretty frankly. There are a number of things that I've learned here that I almost immediately started to introduce or at least influence my thinking about how work gets done in my own company. The largest of which, at a really high level, is both a critical thinking perspective as well as a systems thinking perspective. That perspective is, in my mind now, much more holistic than it was before I started the program. This program, especially for the part that it's built for practitioners, it is specifically aimed at practitioners, is just a godsend. I think that it's one of the most intellectually and professionally stimulating parts of my career thus far. I am and I mean that truly, I am a better thinker for it, and I wish that other universities did this sort of thing.